So I'm just lying here thinking about the ceiling up there. So we have this big hole in the ceiling, and the easy thing to do would be just patch it up. Add some boards in there, throw some plaster on it, smooth it out, call it done. And the way I like to progress with designs is to let it evolve. And here we have an opportunity. We have this weird channel up in there that is like 53 centimeters wide. What I'm hoping to do is strip the wallpaper, paint it white, and add some lights that reflect up, and it creates like a recess lighting sort of thing. I don't know what to call it, but I think it'll look really cool. Well, I thought this was the original wallpaper, but this appears to be. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then that one. Lots of history. I love finding old wallpaper. It's fascinating, the designs and the style changes. And that it's wallpaper directly to the wood is, wow. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so I do have a couple options now. I can either drywall this all in and keep this cove, or if my wife doesn't like that, I can hang a board here minus the depth of new drywall and just flatten the whole thing out. I like this kind of stuff. It's creative problem solving using what's existing there. If you're painting something and you have a blank canvas, it's often very scary. But if you have a few lines on it already, you're kind of forced to work off of that, and it gives you an energy to create something. Anyway, these are the squiggles I have to work with.
Can I ask you for a hand with this project? Put your hand on the mouse and click the subscribe button, the alarm bell, and the like button. You can also leave a comment or click the share button and share it with your friends. All these things help to tell YouTube's algorithm that this is some quality content and it should be shared with a lot of people. And that would really help.